Hey guys, it's McGann, and I was rummaging through my parents' old house and found some cool things to show you. This is the first thing I'm going to show you. It's the Starr Modeling Agency collector's case, which the Starr brand, it didn't last very long, but they were like miniature-sized Barbie-type dolls. You can tell with the modeling agency thing and Barbie's a model, it was kind of a close ripoff, but a reason that I took really well to this brand was because Starr, that's exactly how my middle name is spelled. So it was really cool. Like, you never see something named Starr, and if you do, it's S-T-A-R. So I just absolutely adored that. And you can see, I had a lot of the set, especially after it went on clearance. Have these really cool, like, embossed star with the stars around them, two-sided handles in case one breaks, I guess. But oh, what a cute little bow snap. These cases, if you don't remember, in the 90s were like all the rage. Like every action figure set, doll set, whatever, had a case like this you could get. And it must have gone pretty well on clearance because my parents did not like paying full price for anything. And let me get this open. I'm going to do it this way just because I have a feeling here. No, that was apparently a huge mistake. Okay. We're gonna go this way. Oh gosh, it's still stuck. Oh, I see what's happened. The elastic has worn out, and so all the dolls have fallen. But, oh wow. Alright, I'm gonna try and do a slow pan here so you guys can see the whole thing. Alright. I'm afraid this is going to fall right off the desk. Okay, so I remember this one was Starr. She was the blonde-haired, blue-eye one, and of course, you know, looked the most like Barbie. And oh my goodness, what a little velour dress she's got on. It looks so tacky, and I think that's why Barbie was, I think, 12, 13 inches tall, because when you get this small, it's really hard to make good size doll clothes. You can see the maker stamp is JPI, made in China. JPI ink on her head with a big B, I think, up there. B or a D. A little hard to see. And they were, you can't hear it, of course, but hopefully you can see it. You could, like, bend their knee back and it would, like, pop and stay there. Like, I can feel it. I can't get it to where you can really hear it or see it. And then the arms don't really move other than up and down. It looks like they want to go out. Yeah, they will go out and in. So it's very much like a Barbie. Her frizzy blonde curly hair from the 90s. That was all the rage again. I'm going to undress her just to kind of see what they do look like body-wise. No perverts from this point on, please. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, she's got such cute little frilly panties. Oh, I remember when everybody wore granny panties. Okay. So because this is a doll, I think it's okay to show her lady parts. Well, I'm not going to mess with that underwear too much because I don't know if it's going to fall apart when I do take it apart. Ooh, though, she's got a stringer. I don't know what that is. I just pulled something off that was like really embedded in her vinyl plasticky body rubberiness here. Yeah, it looks like she's got something like that here where it just, I don't know, rubbed wrong, or I don't know what that is. I don't know if something melted into her or if that's parts of her flaking off. Oh, I remember this too. Okay, this was the stand that Starr would go on. There it is. Magical motion platform from the Starr Modeling Agency. It was really cute. Just pull it back and it would go. Let me get her on here. They do have little holes in the bottom of their feet, but I'm not going to push her on too hard. And then you roll her back. No. Okay, now you're going to call me a liar here. Come on. Come on. There it goes. Oh, the things that entertain us in our old age. But getting back to these other girls, and mind you, I have no idea what any of the other ones are called anymore. I think I had several of each girl, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to go in and you can look at them. I know I got these in like 3rd or 4th grade, so I was playing with, oh my gosh, look at that bottom of that outfit. Oh, that's a 3-piece outfit. So it's extra super 90s tacky. But I know I did play with these, but I was so old when I was into them that I didn't play with them as hard as like my Barbies. Oh, that's a really nice fabric. I don't know what that is, but it's really shiny and silky and soft, and it's like a leotard with a skirt over top of it. But this girl is clearly different from the other brunette because one has like yellow eyes and the other has brown eyes, and their faces are really different. Like way different face molds. I don't think I ever really stopped to pay attention to that when I was a kid, but that's actually a big detail to notice these days. Oh my god, I remember, I love this one. I remember this one. It was like your midriff just had to be bare in the late 90s, early 2000s. It was the thing to show you were pretty and perfect. And I don't know why, but I really took to the redhead one. I think it was because I never had a midge doll growing up. So, oh, she doesn't have underwear. But if I could get this to go on straight. All this stuff has curled over the years. I want to call you not midge. Okay, no, it's not on backwards. I thought her torso was on backwards somehow. All right, and now we have, I have no idea. I have no idea who she is, but she looks awfully good in whatever she's doing. The nice pink sparkly type of fabric here. I'm not fancy enough to know the names of these things. She has nice little glitter dotted panties. I wonder why the redhead doesn't. But she's super cute. And I got another one that's stuck to something. I don't know what you're stuck to, darling. It looks like something melted. Oof. Yeah, I don't know if that was like where tape had been before and it got nasty or what, but her lace here, this is what I would consider lingerie in my old age now, but apparently this is just absolutely normal doll attire for the 90s. And this one does look like she is the same character as that other girl I just had up a minute ago. Let me see here. Yeah, I think these are the same character. If anybody knows the names for these, I would love to find out. But yeah, her weird little nightie, some loose threads there. All right, let me see if I can tie this again. That's going to be the trick of it, eh? And come on. All right, we're going to call that good enough. And who do we have left? Ooh. I don't know who she is either. It's not Starr. She's got a whole different face than Starr. But they tried to give her a nice rolled hairdo there, and it just has popped up over the years. Maybe it came that way. Who can remember? Let's see if I can get her lacy arm sleeve back on. These are really weird models. Okay. I think they were promoting lingerie because these are not clothes. Look, you can see through to her legs. Like, these are not clothes that most people would wear out in public. Okay, now I've got these drawers down here. This one's full of hangers and looks like, trying to see, some kind of brassiere. No idea. Oh, look, you can get a better look at the clasps on these. Yeah, these are like metal buttons, which would have been very difficult to get on and off. I can remember when the Barbies did stuff like that with the little buttons, and they were just so difficult. And the little bow, I think, goes to the wedding dress over here. So that is, and this one's chock full of clothes, I can tell. All right, we've got, oh, you know what? I think this is what the redheaded doll came in originally. I don't know if that's true, but that's what sparks in my head. I think this might be her underwear she's missing. Little underwear again. Apparently these dolls came with a lot of underwear. Yeah, most of this is underwear. I don't know quite what this piece is. It doesn't have leg holes. There's just one hole. Maybe that's a headscarf kind of thing. I don't know. That's a tube top, definitely. A little one piece. Man, this is like really slutty clothes. I mean, I know they're saying like, oh, these girls are models, but this is really like scandalous outfits here. Oh, this is like the Little Mermaid tail fabric. Can you hear it? Oh, and it's gotten all chewed up and ripped up over the years because it's not a very great fabric to work with. Looks like granny panties. Yep. A big old white hat. And a skirt, it appears. Yes, a skirt. You know what? That is something. I'm actually going to take this naked Starr over here. I've still got some more dolls on the other side, but I'm going to clothe Starr. I feel like she deserves an outfit change after 20, 30 years. I don't know. It's been a minute. I don't see any copyright date yet on any of this stuff. So, come on, girl. I'm trying to help you get back to basics. Yeah, this one has little plastic snaps. Hopefully you can see. And nothing to make sure that she doesn't have any wardrobe malfunctions. So, fun times. All right, I'm going to stuff this weird velour dress in here. And there we go. Oh, and then on this other side here, I do have the fancy 90s Princess Diana looking wedding dress. And I think that's what the stand, the roller stand had come with. But it's actually, it's kind of cute in its own little tacky way. There's the train, and then you have this really cute, pretty frilly dress with some details, some very minimal sequins, and the veil, the two-parted veil that's just a little headband to go over your little bride. It's not the best looking thing ever. Oh, okay, and it pulled right out of the dress, so no bottoms, not a unitard or anything. All right, to get to the rest of the dolls now. Here we have another of whoever this young lady is. Slightly different hairstyles and all, or at least different accessories in their hair. And nope, no panties. I don't know why I have a whole box full of panties down here, but no actual panties on some of these dolls. All right, here's another Starr. This one's a bit more business professional. I don't think, yeah, nope, nude under there. No shirt. I don't know why. There's like the long sleeve wedding dress, and then this is long sleeve, and then nothing else. Like everything else is like really skanky looking lingerie. Okay, here's one that looks a little bit better, probably because she has the band in her hair. Where did you go, madam? Aha. Yeah, you can see that with the banding down, keeping her hair down, it's kind of lasted a lot better. And it looks like they probably put these dolls in different outfits, but they were the same basic everything else. Like the hair's the same and everything. They just changed the colors of the ribbons and stuff. And she's also got a nice kind of 60s, 70s looking outfit here that's long sleeves and long pants. These were kind of really popular, like clothing in the 90s. People don't remember as much now, but like the 60s and 70s came back big. And now we've got another one of whoever she is. Cute little pink dress here. Yeah, pink bottom. Looks like, yeah, it's another unitard with a skirt that goes over it. And her hair has been kind of mashed down just from being in the case for so long. You can see, some glue. I don't know what the glue's from. I imagine it was holding her hairband down at one point, but just gross. But, okay. Now it looks like another knot midge. Yep, same face and everything. So we've got another knot midge in some kind of sport. And this one doesn't have underwear either. Why didn't I want this one to have underwear ever? But all right, well, this one's dressed maybe like she's going to tennis or something. It was like, as a mom, I just want to cover her more. So I feel like she's being exposed too much. I guess that's how that outfit would look normally. I don't know if these outfits came like this or if I just mixed and matched things to make it look like this. And oh, we have yet another redhead with no underwear on. That's actually a pretty cute little jumper kind of outfit. I had something very similar to this growing up, which is probably why she's wearing this herself. I don't know, not much to say. I'll just get in close for the details of it. The plaid, again, was all the rage in the 90s, and the cute little, like, oddities in the sleeves. Like, if you have weird sleeves for some reason, you were the hot potato. And finally, we're ending with another Starr, and this is probably the best shaped Starr I have. Her hair isn't overly curled or overly flat, but it does have some issues. And then she's got this really cute, pretty little blue mini skirt dress, whatever you call it. Again, that style was huge in the 90s, and my goodness, we have got a ton of Starr dolls that we have looked at today. I hope you've enjoyed going down memory lane with me. I've got a lot of other things to look at over the upcoming months as I re-unbox things. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Wait. We have to do a proper goodbye. Now, one with the long dress, it'll look so much better. Okay, let's see.